Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my video. So I don't know if this is a really weird angle because you're on my coffee table, so you're quite high up, so yeah. Anyway, today I've got a haul and it's sort of like a homeware sort of cleaning haul, like cleaning products. This is in collaboration with the app CHERRYZ. These are an app that's, oh by the way, right, I'm not being paid, but I have been gifted these items. So all opinions are my own, and I only ever take like working with brands if I actually like the brand and like what they're giving off. I won't promote anything that I don't like because I won't, okay? So CHERRYZ is an app where it sort of sells loads of different stuff, like loads of cleaning stuff, so food bits, so stationery. It's kind of like an online home bargains, and if you are like me and you absolutely love home bargains, this is literally the app like you need. It's literally like home bargains online, so all the cleaning products you can get in like home bargains and B&M, they sell on this app, which is so good because like if you don't want to go out, especially the current times, then you can just order this app. And I was in desperate need of cleaning products. I got this email from them asking if I wanted to collaborate. So, oh my god, I was so excited. I love cleaning stuff. So I have a box here of the stuff that I got gifted, and I chose it. I'm going to start off with the boring things. Also, how cute is this tissue paper? I've got CHERRYZ on it because the app's called CHERRYZ. It's like CHERRYZ with a Z, not an S. So I'll start with the boring bits. One of these things is already open because I used it last night. Are you okay? So, first of all, I've got this like this is if you're in a slimming world like I am, then everyone would have heard of this. This is the Mayflower Curry mix. So this is the best thing ever. It's basically a powder that you mix water with, and you like boil it. It literally tastes like the curry sauce from Chinese. It is literally my favourite thing ever. I'm not a curry person, but this is really nice. So I got that, and that's the medium one. Also picked up the extra hot one because Lewis is a spicy, he loves spice, like ridiculous amount of spice. So I picked up the extra hot one. They look like this. It's the Mayflower. Honestly, if you haven't tried these, they are so good and they're so cheap. They are the best. Now on to the more interesting for me anyway. First of all, I picked up this notebook. This is going to be for my lash business. So if you don't know, I think I mentioned it in my last video maybe. Can't really remember. I've started up my little lash business. It will be linked. The Instagram will be in the description. It's literally just x.becky.s.x. And this is going to be where I write all my orders and all things like that. So I've got a little notebook for that, for my lash business. I then got this tiny little plaque, which is so cute. You can pause it to read it. That's what it says. It's so cute. I'm going to hang this in my bathroom. I just think that's adorable. Now going on to the cleaning stuff I picked up. I got this Purge fast acting microwave steam cleaner. This removes stubborn food stains, grime, clean germs, bacteria. So I'm not sure what you do, to be honest. I've never actually used one of these, but I've seen them. So I guess what you do is you get two. So I think you pour that in the dish, maybe put it in the microwave, and then you put the microwave on for 2 minutes and then wipe it clean after. I think that's how it works. It's by Purge. I then got some more of these. These are just like the fake minkies. I have minkies and I have the fake ones. I will admit, the minkies are better, but you know, you can't have enough just scrubbers really, can you? So I picked up 2 of them and they're pink because I love pink. I then picked up a scrubbing brush because I need one of these for my next item. And I didn't have pink, so I got purple. And I just don't have a scrubbing brush, so, and I really need one because it's a stain on my floor and I need to get it up. So this is what that's for, basically. And that is to go with this. I got some of the pink stuff. If you haven't used the pink stuff, like Miracle Cleaning Paste, this is the best. It literally cleans everything, like your oven trays, like the oven shelves. If you clean that with this, oh my god, you clean your barbecue with this, everything, like stains up on the floor, literally anything. This paste is it is a miracle. Like it says it in the name, it literally is the Miracle Cleaning Paste. It is amazing. Like I think everyone knows what it is anyway, but if you haven't, then you need it, like this in your life. I then picked up 2 little wax melts because I'm obsessed with wax melts. So they're both Yankee Candle. This one is called Sweet Nothings. And then this one is called Moonlight Blossoms. This one smells absolutely beautiful. So I got them because I love wax melts. I then picked up a lot of Fabulosa. I'm pretty sure I got every one on the website. Which is a lot, but I absolutely love Fabulosa a lot, and it's so cheap. It's literally like £1 a bottle, and it is the best thing ever. So I'm just going to start now because there's quite a lot here. So I picked up, first of all, I picked up the like the disinfectant, like Sephora, that you dilute with water. So I picked up a few of these. And these are really good as well. Like, if you love Sephora, then you'll love these. And these are like, well, Sephora is what, like £3–4 a bottle. This is £1. And they are banging and have so nice scents. So this is a lemon. I then got, this is called Winter Garden. And I have this already. And it is so really strong, clean scent. And yeah, so this is Winter Garden. These are like there's like 10 litres of it. So this is like the 220 mils. And literally all you do is put like a cap full of in and then water, and it's really good. I actually also use Fabulosa stuff to clean my floors in my mop. And it makes like my flat sound banging. I then got black cherry. And this one, oh my god, it makes my mouth water. It smells so good. Oh my god, this is the best. So I got black cherry. And then I got forest pine. This is, I want to say it's about all of them, aren't I? This one literally, oh my god, if I can open it, smells so clean. It smells so clean. So if you want your house to smell really clean, go for forest pine. It smells clean. Then I'm not going to say that all of them, they're literally all so nice. This one is watermelon. Again, 1, look at that colour, and 2, this smells banging, like banging. Like, this is so strong. That's something I like about these. I know Sephora is really strong, and you'd think, because these are so much cheaper, like they're £1, you think they won't be really strong, but they are so powerful. Like, you literally put a capful in and it still smells banging. And I love doing these. Like, I dilute it with water and I literally spray everything, like curtains, sofas, anything fabric, because it makes it smell nice. Carpets, everything. I then got tropical fruits, and I think you haven't smelled this one. Oh, that smells good. That smells like a drink. I don't know what drink it smells like, but probably a tropical drink. But this smells like a drink. I don't know what drink it is though. Then got Electrifier, and this one is also really nice. They're really nice. And then I got Gold Touch, and I haven't smelled this one either. Let me just smell it. If I can open it, that is. Oh, that's really nice. That smells a bit like aftershave, I think. Right, so that's all the like diluting ones I got, disinfectants. Now on to sort of spray bottles. The first one, I got the little mini disinfectant. So this is called the Ready to Use Mini Fabulosa. This is the lemon mint leaf one, and this is So nice. And these are just really good because they're so small. Just as if you're like a germaphobe, you could just like pop that in your handbag maybe, and if you go out, you just, not that you can go out really, we're in lockdown, but if you go out, you just spray it, I don't know. Or like keep in your car, that's a good thing to keep in your car, clean your car and all that when you get it from the shop, I don't know. But it's cute and I like it, so I got it. Now onto the bigger spray bottles. I got this one which is intense, and these are like, you just spray it and clean with it, and these are so good as well. These are what I swear by now. Like, this is what I used to clean my whole flat every day. That smells like aftershave. This one, this is, if you like aftershave scents, which I absolutely love, this is intense, and it smells literally like aftershave. Like, it smells like a men's aftershave. That's the best. I love that. I've then got the lemon mint leaf big one. So this is basically this, like travel size. So yeah, so I've got the big one of that. And these are 500ml, by the way. Oh, also Fabuloso is like 100% vegan as well. I've then got the Electrifier in the spray bottle. And obviously when you run out, keep the bottles, because then you can like replace it like that. Oh god, oh no, it's all falling over. Okay, so this is my new favourite. This is coconut, and this literally smells so nice. I love coconut scented stuff, so if you like coconut scented stuff, this is the way to go. It's banging. I've then got wild rhubarb, which is so nice. This is a really strong one. Love that. And then I have the watermelon in the spray bottle. I then have the winter garden also in the spray bottle. This is the one I'm using currently. Not this one, an exact one, but like I have another one. That's what I'm using. It's really strong, really nice, really clean. And the last one I've got is Festive Lights. This smells amazing, and it doesn't smell festive. I can't really tell what. Oh, it's got on my lip. I can't really explain what it smells like. It just smells really nice, and it doesn't smell festive at all. Like, it doesn't smell like cinnamon or anything, and it doesn't smell really like pine. It's just, I don't really know. It's just really nice. Pretty sure that is everything that I picked up from the app CHERRYZ. Honestly, this app is the best. Like, if you need cleaning stuff but you don't want to go out, or you haven't got like a Home Bargains or a B&M near you, then definitely check this app out. It's literally, you can get on Android and Apple. It's just called CHERRYZ, that's CHERRYZ, and if you use the code BL20, you get 20% off your order as well. So you're already ordering so much cheap stuff. Like, it's like £1 for like a bottle of disinfectant. So yeah, you like get 20% off. So I would highly recommend go check it out, and I will 100% be ordering off of them myself. This is the thing with me, I will not promote anything that I won't buy myself. Like, if I wouldn't go out and buy it with my own money, then I won't promote it. And I do go out and buy this stuff with my own money. So and obviously I never knew you could get it online, so now I know you can get it online. My cupboards are going to be very stocked up for a long time of cleaning stuff, and I'll be using my own code. So yeah, if you want to get 20% off, make sure to use the code BL20. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe down below if you are new. My channel is literally so many different things. Obviously I have lots of videos about pregnancy, being a mum, home, because obviously I live in my own flat, hauls. I literally do a mixture of everything. So if you do like that sort of stuff, a mixture of all sorts, then please subscribe down below, and turn the notification bell on if you want to be notified when I post. Also, please comment down below any video suggestions you have for me, as they help out a lot, because I like to be creating content that you actually want to see. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys.